name is Beatrice Salmon. I'm chairperson of the Mayo Down Syndrome Association. I would like to introduce you to the association's newest achievement here in Mayo. A number of our young men and women have taken up the sport of kayaking. We call the club Kayaction.
Deirdre, can you give the camera a wave?
Hi!
I'm a kayak instructor with the Irish Canoe Union. I am a Beatrice Salmon. I met her about a year ago, last summer, and she asked me would I instruct a club here, Mayo Kayaction Club. So we've been involved with the club for the last year. We meet every Wednesday night at 6:30, and we spend about 2 hours out on the water with 6 young people. We would treat the course in the same way as any other course, except we have to take more time with these young adults. We have to have a bit more patience with them, and we have to have a bit more supervision just in case anything goes wrong. It probably takes maybe 3 or 4 times more longer to teach one of these kids the skills of kayaking than it would some other young person.
Whose boss is this?
No idea.
You give Jonathan a hand shot.
Yeah.
Whose are all these boats here?
Jonathan Hughes is yellow, is it?
Yeah.
I'm with Castlebar Kayak Club, and since last year I've been involved with the local special needs boys and girls here. So it's been good fun. We've had a great year, and we've had some good outings. It's been an education, I suppose, for me in a lot of ways, and overall it's been good fun. I think the group has enjoyed it, and we've really enjoyed it too. The difficulties for myself personally in the beginning was, I suppose, to be too helpful and to do too much, and I quickly had to learn that it was up to each of the individuals to do the utmost for themselves, and I suppose the other side of that was very rewarding to see how much that they could come on in a short time, and how much they progressed with their skills, and just the enthusiasm that they had for it, and how much they practiced in between sessions, stuff we'd show them how to do to help with their strokes and with their coordination, and to see that the progress that they made from week to week was very rewarding.
I
3 golden rules in kayaking, and one we'll be telling the young people to never go out kayaking alone. There's a saying, less than 3 should never be. The second rule we have that you should always have buoyancy, such as I have on here. So we're telling the kids never go out in the kayak without buoyancy jackets. And thirdly, they should be able to swim preferably, and they should have buoyancy in their boat. We go through the rules, and then like we did tonight, we go through a few warm-up procedures. So it's important to warm up their muscles and to get them warm, because if they're warm, we're going to have less injuries during the course of the night. And then we bring them out, and maybe one night we might teach them how to go forwards, second night we might teach them how to go backwards. We might teach them how to stop. There's so many different strokes like that. So we go through the different stages and the different strokes, and then at the end of the night we warm down as well. In the community, I am also employed as a juvenile liaison officer with the garage here, and the club here works in conjunction with Youth Action Castlebar, which is a Garda juvenile diversion programme. And in that club we have young people that have come to the notice of the garage, and they come along, they want to train to be instructors, and they come along and they teach the young adults here how to kayak, and they are bringing something back into their community.
My name is David Garvan. I'm from Knockwood Camaros, County Mayo.
And how old are you, Deirdre?
I'm 27.
And what do you like about kayaking?
What I like about kayaking is about meeting up with friends and the trainers.
And what safety gear do you wear when you're kayaking?
Animals, life jackets and wetsuits.
My name is Jonathan Knight. I'm from Ballina, County Mayo.
And how old are you, Jonathan?
I am 27.
And can you tell us about your boat? What does it look like? Describe it.
It's blue and there's some all the doodads and stuff like that.
Yes, and what do you use to drive your boat?
You have to use a paddle.
Now, Martin, what's your name and where
My
are you
name
from?
is Martin Pilaten from Balmain, County Mayo.
And how old are you, Martin?
40.
And what are you holding, Martin?
This month, level 1 certificate.
And what do you like about kayaking?
Oh, this is the big you happy, make me go.
My name is Sean Simon. I'm from 8 Cedars, Beaverwell, Castlebar, County Mayo. I'm age 19.
What's the name of your club?
Kayaction.
When did you start kayaking, Sean?
I haven't done it for a very long time. I done an old TED, and now I started for this season now of this year.
And who are your trainers?
Yeah, my trainers are Mick Fahey and James Applegate, Michelle and Sean Golden.
Star, star, teach me how to shine, shine, teach me so I know what's going on in your mind. 'Cause I don't understand these people saying the hill's too steep. Well, they talk and talk forever, but they just never climb. Falling down into situations, bringing out the best of you. Flat on your back, yeah, and stop. Your every word I'm heeding. Can you help me to see I'm lost in the marsh, yeah. Star, star, teach me how to shine, shine, teach me so I know what's going on in your mind. 'Cause I don't understand these people saying the words.
My name is Martin Salmon. I'm a parent of a young man with special needs who is a member of this club. We both joined the club together. I had done maybe a small bit of kayaking prior to starting with Kayaction. So much so that I became quite involved with it, started to enjoy it very much. I'm currently doing my level 2 training with the Castlebar Kayaking Club, which is separate to our Special Olympic Kayaction Club. As a parent, I'm thrilled to see how my son is developing socially and physically as a member of this club. Prior to starting this, he was quite a keen water sportsman. He enjoys swimming and enjoys swimming in the sea in particular, I suppose. Has really taken to the kayaking. Would be very, very easy to motivate when you say there's training starting. He has his gear put together, he has all his equipment got, and thoroughly enjoys it. So it allows us to participate and integrate as a family, I suppose, in a sport that we all absolutely enjoy. Two of our other children are also now doing their level 2 training. So it's something that has just taken us, and I suppose that's all thanks to our Sean. It's just through him that we were introduced to this.
I would like to thank all the trainers for the time they have taken over the last 12 months to teach the skills necessary to obtain their level 1 certificate in kayaking. All 5 passed their level 1 prior to Christmas. Thank you very much.
Okay, 1, 2, 3!
Well, I started out down a dirty road. Started out all alone, and the sun went down as I crossed the hill, and the town lit up. The world got still. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. Well, the good old days may not return, and the rocks might melt, and the seed may burn. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing.